Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Coinbase staking for ETH rewards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Coinbase app or website on your device. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Assets tab on the home page. In the Assets section, find and select Ethereum from your list of cryptocurrencies. On the Ethereum page, locate the Earn Rewards or Stake option. Click on the Stake button to initiate the staking process. You will see a brief explanation of what staking is and the rewards you can earn. Read through this information to understand the terms and conditions. After that, select the amount of ETH you wish to stake. Click on the Continue button once you have decided on the amount. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to stake your ETH. Review the details carefully, including the potential rewards and any fees. If everything looks good, confirm your staking request. Your Ethereum will now be converted into staked ETH. You will receive rewards periodically based on the amount of ETH you have staked. To check your rewards, return to the Ethereum page anytime. You can also monitor your staked ETH balance and rewards in the Account section. That's all you need to do to activate Coinbase staking for ETH rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.